So next up, guys, got a box truck coming up for auction. This is a 2016 Kenworth T370. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but we're actually selling a whole group of trucks coming in from the same consignor, the same day on auction. This one would have like 226,000 miles. It's got the Paccar PX9. That's basically a Cummins ISL diesel motor. It's like an 8.9 Cummins, but it's got the Paccar stickers on it, obviously. All aluminum rims, Allison automatic 6-speed transmission, really nice rubber, air-ride suspension, Waltco 3,000-pound lift gate. It is a 26-foot box. It's got a couple rows of E-track in it. You know, nice clean interior. Truck starts right up. Drives real good. They drove it in here from about 45 miles away and said it ran real good. So it's a local trade-in coming from a dealership that just sends these to auction once they come in on trade. So I'm here with Garrett. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. Like I said, they're a dealership. They took it in on trade, passed their pre-trade inspection. They kind of give them a quick once-over as far as all that goes. Garrett probably needs to get in. You got to have your foot on the brake to get in gear, so he's probably trying to get it in gear is what I'm guessing. There you go. Now he's in gear. These automatics, you got to step on the brake to get them in gear, and you don't get it stepped on right away. It sometimes doesn't engage. Goes forward and reverse, and yeah, it's been drove down the road, drives well. Nice running truck there, guys. So there's demo 2016 Kenworth T370. Go, guys, auction time at Old 20 Auctions.